Yo, what up? Ching Chongy here. So recently I released a new My Chani video where there was a karaoke scene. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. And I actually had a whole music video to it, which I'm gonna release right now. Let's check it out!
你好吗？你好吗？我好，我告诉你 You the ugly mighty unverrat 脑中到巴萨，嘿，努嘛，私は大好きです。Wash my car, bazaar. Just because you own doesn't mean you can't do. Wash my car, bazaar. Wash my car, bazaar. 老太婆 Wash my car, bazaar. 老太婆 Wash my car, and I will pay you $5.
Pretty crazy song. Pretty crazy. Yeah, anyway, this is what I did about 5 hours ago. Alright, peace out. Oh, I did it again! Ah! And gay Sailor Moon. Shit. It's about, what, 2 a.m. now? I'm gonna buy some energy drinks Nandara because I have to stay up until 9 a.m. to buy U2 tickets. Oh my god, U2! It's a beautiful day. Don't let it... Don't sing. Okay. So yeah, let's go buy some energy drinks. Look how gross this is. Look how gross this is. Open the door. Snail? James! Goodbye, Snail. Yo, what up, fag? Piss off. Yo, what up, fag? Yo! Yo, what up? Gonna get energy drinks. It's like 3:30 a.m. right now. Yeah, crazy. Chilling at the supermarket at 3 p.m.
The Asian all feel like China again.
Mother, keep me up until 9 a.m. for you too, man. It's a beautiful day! Oh shit, where's my key? So probably the coolest thing about having a car and having a license is going to Macca's at 4 a.m. in the morning and just getting fat. McChicken with some tomatoes. Oh, fuck. Got my energy. Got my burger. Only about what? It's 4 a.m. right now, so... What, 4, 7, 9 minus 4, 5 hours left. Oh my god, I suck at math. My dad would smack me if he was here. It's 5:30 a.m. Watching some family outing. I'm so tired and bored. Zerg's ponying me. They're ponying me. Oh, Goliath. Go, son. No! 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 Tomatoes! Oh, fuck. No, Zergs, no! Let's try to get my SUVs to fight them. SUV repair. Bitches. Attack! Oh, shit. Noob! Noob for life. Noob for life. Whoa, look how sunny it is. Wow, and I still haven't slept yet. I look bad. So I was pissing on the crops like usual, and then I looked over here and look, wild chickens. These chickens have more protein than fish and chicken. Nah, they're my dad's. I didn't even know I had chickens here. Seriously, like what the hell? 9 a.m. Got my U2 tickets. Woo! Now I can go to sleep. Yeah! Laters.